This is Schoology number 6. In this question, I wanted to show you some of the things that Schoology could also do for you as you're going through. People in class have papers, so people at home, I don't want you to have to copy all this down, but you can use the highlight tool. If you just start to highlight words, it'll offer you the highlight option whenever you finish clicking and then moving across the words that you want highlighted. Also, remember as you go through, you can review every question as you go. The accessibility is here. Flag for review lets you come back to it. And the accessibility, I just kind of skipped over that. Changes the colors. Some of you like a darker screen. That'll do that. Flag for review. Whenever you get to review, will show you that you need to go back and look at that question. Eliminating answer choices might be something you want to do for this. If you know something's wrong, you can click that and cross off your choices. There is also a calculator offered to you that you can do. Notepad just lets you type some stuff in, and full screen will take over your whole screen. I open the toolbar by hitting the arrow to the left, but if you don't like it, you can collapse it back down this way. So for this question, as you run across these words that are important, you're going to highlight them. So it says Karen's piggy bank has all dimes and quarters. That's important. The total value of money in her piggy bank is $11.40. So that's saying the total value is, another word or another symbol for is equals. Write a linear equation where D represents the dimes and Q represents the quarters in this situation. Now this is a common question that pops up and it confuses a lot of students because there's not a whole lot of numbers in this. The only number that I actually see in the words is 1140, and we know that it should equal 1140. And that's really not going to help me because in all of these questions, I have that it equals 1140. So the extra numbers come about in this question for the value of the coins. Dimes, and this is tricky, dimes are 10 cents. Please don't feel confused. This is also correct. Pointing out this one is not correct. That would be a penny right here. So please make sure that you have your decimals in the correct place. Kind of expanding off of this question, if the question was to talk about a nickel, this is the one again. This is not correct. This is not correct. That would be 50 cents. A nickel would be 0.5. So please make sure that if the question is talking about a nickel that you have your number in the correct decimal place. All right, and a Q, a quarter. A quarter is going to be 25 cents, which looks like this. Okay? And we're going to take those numbers and we're going to now put them with what they belong with. This amount of money right here, 0.10, belongs with dimes. So right here, 0.10 belongs with dimes. I don't even see the letter next to this one, so something's missing. You can use that, eliminate your answer choices if you want, and cross that one off. Here I see that dime that was missing, that D, and now it's next to 0.25. Is 0.25 a dime? No, it is not. So you can, again, eliminate using that tool if you want to, or you can just kind of know that that's wrong. And then here we have 0.25 with dimes here. So it looks like right now we've got two options, the top one and the bottom one. And so now we need to double check this next thing to see which one is correct. Again, we need the number 0.25 going with a Q for quarter. So up on this top one I see the 0.25, but I'm missing the Q. And down here I see my 0.25 with my Q. So there it is. I found my numbers that go with the variable, and I guess I should actually circle that one. The numbers that go with the variable in both cases. And so that's what you're going to do as you continue through these next questions, is you're going to put the numbers with the variable that goes with them and make sure that they match up nice and neat. This is your answer for